Learn French numbers. Yes, you heard it right. It is from 1 to 1000 in 10 minutes. Let's start. Learn fast. So we are starting from basic numbers 1 to 10. Slowly you will be able to remember each and every number in this video. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six. Mind it that it is spoken as six. The pronunciations are written in the bracket. Sept. 7 is a special number here. Sept is the spelling S-E-P-T, but how you pronounce is set. Set. With. Neuf and these. You can again do it once and you can repeat the video if you want to. Now let me tell you the trick behind the logic of French numbers. So numbers 1 to 20 are very basic numbers and similar in nature. So once you know these numbers, then you don't have to learn new words. Okay. Likewise 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50 and 51 to 60 are similar in nature. Okay. Likewise if we go from 120 to 130, 131 to 140, 141 to 150 are same. Okay. And, if we go for the last 40 numbers, like 61 to 100, 161 to 200, even 261 to 300, or if you say 361 to 400, they all are similar in nature. So at the end of this video, I'm sure you will be able to remember all of these. But yes, logic behind them is that, you need to remember the most important numbers, that is 1 to 20. Okay, let's start. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now these three numbers are similar, 11 from 17 to 19. 17, 18, 19. Once you remember these words, then 27, 37, 47, as I told earlier, these numbers are same in nature and same logic is applicable for these numbers also. Okay, so what you need to remember is 1 to 20. Let's do it again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's go further. Now we are going in the next part, that is 21 to 30. 21 to 30. You must be remembering that, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, up to 60 are similar in nature. Now you will understand that better. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So these words, once you know this, after that, the things will become easier and easier. Okay. So 30 is something that you need to remember. It is 30. Okay. 30 is 30. Fine. So if you understand here, in each and every spelling that you see here, when is same. Okay. And after that, something is added. Okay. So it is like, 20 at 1. It is like this. Okay. When is 20? And at means end in French. And en means 1. So 20 and 1. It is 21. This is the logic behind the French numbers. Okay, going further, if you see in 22 also it is same. When, do, 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay, so things are going same. Okay, so which type of words you need to remember are already covered in 1 to 20. Okay, so once you remember these words, which I am underlining now, everything will be so simple at the later stage. Okay, fine. Okay, and 30 is taunt. Going further from 31 to 40, tonte on. Again the same word, tonte du, tonte toi, tonte cat, tonte cinq, tonte six, tonte sept, tonte huit, tonte neuf, and now 40 is again something which you need to remember. It is quarante. Okay, let's go further. Going further, now from 41 to 50, we are going for the next 10 set of words. Okay, quehonte un, quehonte du, quehonte trois, quehonte quatre, quehonte cinq, quehonte six, quehonte sept, quehonte huit, quehonte neuf, and cinquante. Okay, so again we saw that you just need to remember one word, that is quarante here. Then rest all 1 to 10 are same in nature. Okay, you can also note down these things to make the things simpler and easier. Now let's go from 51 to 60. Cinquante un, cinquante deux, cinquante trois, cinquante quatre, cinquante cinq, cinquante six, cinquante sept, cinquante huit, cinquante neuf, and soixante. Okay, so 60 you need to remember soixante. Okay, now if we revise a bit, I told that from 61 to 80 they are similar in nature, and 81 to 100 they are also similar in nature. Okay, so in this video we are understanding the words. Okay, now if you want to remember all this very easily, we are also going to make one very short video of 1 minute in which you will be able to remember each of these numbers very fast. Okay, understanding comes first, then comes the learning and remembrance. Let's go further from 60 onwards. Okay, now we are going from 61 to 70 first. Okay, so this is soixante un, soixante deux, soixante tres, soixante quatre, soixante cinq, soixante six, soixante sept, soixante huit, soixante neuf, and soixante dix. Okay, so if you see here, then soixante, this word is coming from 61 to 69. But then, in 70, there is not a new word. Okay, like in the earlier sets of 10 words, right? This is soixante dix. That means 70, soixante is 60, and then dix is 10. So 60 and 10, they say 70 like this in French. Okay, if we go a bit, backside, 51 to 60, if we see, in 51, it was like, cinquante. Okay, cinquante. And then 60, if you see, it is soixante. Okay, so here if we see 61 to 69 are same, and then 70 is also having the same word. Okay, so here it is 60 and 10, as I said, soixante dix, soixante dix. Okay, going further. Okay, now 71 to 80, as I told you, they are in continuation. Okay, soixante onze, soixante douze, soixante treize, soixante quatorze, soixante quinze, soixante seize, soixante dix-huit, soixante dix-huit, soixante dix-neuf, and 80. Okay, so if you see here now, word number 80, the number 80 is different. So if you understand, 61 to 80 are in one group. Okay, because 70 is not changing. And additionally, if you see here, it is ons. Okay, the same which was there in number 11. So how they are saying this is, 60 and 11 is 71. Okay, so what is written, in the French language in the numbers, soixante onze. Okay, that is 60. Okay, here it is written at. That means and. Okay. 11 means 11. 71, that means 60 and 11, that is 71. If you see 72, that is 72, that means 60 and 12. Okay, that is 72, and so on. Okay. Basically, what you need to remember is 1 to 20, as I said. Let's carry on further. Okay, going further from 81 to 100. Okay, 81 to 100 again are same and similar in nature as we had 61 to 80. Okay, if you see here, number 90, the name is not changing. Okay, fine. So let's go further. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. Okay, so if you see here 90, it is 90. Okay, so that is 80, and 10. 80 and 10. It is like this. Okay, 90. Okay, you can also see them like 20 plus 10 plus 60. That is also one logic by which you can remember that. But then it's okay. We will go for the logic of 81 to 100. Okay. So these is number 90. Okay. Is number 90. Right. So we are going for the same logic, 81 to 100. Going further from 91 to 100. Okay. The last set. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, if you see, I have spoken these words almost 10 times, so you will be remembering that, I'm very sure. So, now what you need to see here is, it is 14 and 11. Okay, 14 and 12. Okay, the same which was present in 71 to 80. Okay, it is same. 11, 12, 13, 14, which was same in 11 to 20 also. Okay, fine. So if you see, 81 to 100 are again the numbers which are looking similar in nature. Okay, now 100, if you see, is called song. 100 is song. Okay, now going further from 101 to 110. Okay, it is so do, so toi, so cat, so cinq, so six, so sept, so huit, so neuf, so dix. So now you see, things are really very easy. After, these many minutes of video, you will be remembering all of these numbers, from 1 to 10. You just need to add so here. Okay. So that is 100 and 1, that is 101. So 2, that is 102, that is 102, and so on. Okay. Now we are also going from 111 to 120 number, and then we will be moving towards 200s. Okay. So going further, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Okay. So this is 111 to 120. You will be remembering that, these numbers, these words were coming in 11 to 20. The base is same. Okay. 11 was 11, 12 was 12, and so on. Okay. So here just so is added. Okay. Now, likewise, if we go further, we are in the last part of 100 to 200, so that is 191 to 200. Okay, if we go further in 191 to 200, it is 191. 191. Okay, the logic is exactly same that we have seen in 1 to 100. Okay, 191. Okay, if you see, set is sen, sorry, so is 100 and 91. Okay, that is 91. Okay, again, so is 100 and 92 is 92. So it is 100 and 92. So that is total 192. Okay. 100, 112, 193, 114, and so on. Okay. So when we reach 200, it is 200. Okay. That means 200. Okay. If you separate the words, 200. Okay. 200. Now going further from 201 to 210. Now, we will be taking 10 words, okay, 10 numbers from each of these parts. That is 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500. From each of these, we will be taking first 10 numbers because rest 90 numbers are similar in nature. Okay. So let's go further from 201 to 210. Okay. So if we go further, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210. Okay. Now, if we see 300, it is %. Okay, it is %. Fine. Okay. So let's go further. Once we know 300, okay. After that, you will be able to remember 300 to 400 also. Okay. Going further from 301 to 310. Okay. It is 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, and so on. Everything is same as we were doing before. If you see, it is 3, say, it is 100, and is 1. So this is 301, 301. Okay. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, and so on. Going further from 401 to 410. Okay. Yes, before that, let's see what is in number 400. Okay. So 400 is cathos. Okay. We already know catho, and this is 100. Okay. This is 400. That is 400 if you see. Okay. So it is catho-son. Going further, catho-son 1, catho-son 2, catho-son 3, catho-son 4, catho-son 5, catho-son 6, and so on. Okay. So it will go up to 410. So now you will be able to remember each and every spelling or each and every number which is a 3-digit number. Okay. Again, if you see, this is 400. Okay. And other numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay. So lastly, if we go to 500, it is sen, set, sen, so. Okay. Sen, so. Going further, 510. Up to 510, we will go in this screen. So 501 is 501, 502, 503, 504. Everything remains the same. Okay, 506, 507, 508, and so on. What you need to remember is just this. Okay, let's go further. If you see 600, okay, it is 600. Okay, going further, 601, 602, 603, 604, and so on. The story remains the same. Okay, so whatever number comes into picture, you just need to remember the basic words. After that, you will be able to write, read each and every number to word or word to number. Okay. For remembering this, don't worry. We will be making one very short video of 1 minute by which you will be able to remember all these words very easily just by listening. Okay. Understanding is in this video and listening is in the other one. Okay. By which you will remember 100 numbers each. Okay. So now going further, last one here we have is say son. Okay. Set son. Fine. Going further, it is 601, 602, 603, 604, 605, and so on. The same thing is going on further. Okay. And everything is having the logic behind it. So here also we are explaining you with a suitable logic. Okay. And last one here is with so. With so, that is 800. So once you remember 800 is with so, you can also make the numbers which are from 801 to 899. Okay. So if we see some examples, okay, with so with so do, with so toi, with so cat, and so on. We can reach up to 899, and then 900 is nous so. Nous son. Okay. So nous son, okay, is 900. Going further from 901 to 1000, the last part of the video. Okay. So here 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, and so on. Okay. See, as I told you, you just need to remember the numbers like 700, 800, 900, 600, even these numbers you need to remember, and that all are logical in nature. Okay. And the last number 1000, number 1000 is meal. Okay. 1000 is meal. Okay, friends. So stay tuned and subscribe our channel. Thank you.